Hello everyone, let's talk about the Zebra LP2844 Barcode label printer kit. This particular kit comes with everything needed to get started printing 4x6 shipping labels, which is a huge plus for small businesses or anyone who ships regularly. It's a renewed model, which could be a great way to save some money while still getting a reliable piece of equipment. The printer itself uses direct thermal printing technology, meaning no ink or toner is required. This not only saves on supply costs in the long run, but also simplifies the whole printing process. Just load the labels and you're good to go. The kit includes a roll of 250 labels to get you started right away. The LP2844 is a monochrome printer, so it only prints in black and white, but for shipping labels, that's all you really need. It connects via USB, which is pretty standard and ensures compatibility with most computers. The push-button controller is simple and straightforward, making it easy to operate even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. This printer can handle media up to 4 inches wide, making it perfect for those standard 4x6 shipping labels. The package dimensions are 10 by 10 by 10 inches, and it weighs around 8 pounds, so it's relatively compact and won't take up too much space on your desk. While it's a renewed model, the fact that it comes as a complete kit with a power supply and labels makes it a convenient option. It's essentially a build-your-own kit, but without the hassle of sourcing all the individual components. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable way to print shipping labels, the Zebra LP2844 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.